Hello, my name is Duncan. I'm a maths and physics tutor up to and including A-level, so approximately up to and including the first year of university if you're not from the UK. I can also tutor other sciences up to and including GCSE. I can teach either in English o puedo enseñarles en español desde ahora hay subtítulos para ustedes. Back to English for the rest of this video. I've been tutoring for over 25 years and have customised resources for all topics. First, let's look at maths, which is also important for physics. You, the student, are the focus of the tutorials. We will find your strengths and build from them. There will be no ceiling to what you can learn, as I will have no preconceptions about you. To make the learning a positive experience, we will find your strong subjects and then use them to learn the other subjects. This is possible because in mathematics, most questions follow the same pattern. We translate a question from English to maths and then manipulate the algebra to reach the answer. It's that simple. Understanding this simplicity and using it in our learning approach will help you to raise your mathematics higher and higher. Now I'll finish this video by talking about the physics. Physics is essentially the same as maths with one extra step. We translate the question into physics, then into maths, and then we're simply using our math skills again. Now, many people find physics difficult to understand. I found the following to be of help with this. Simple physics questions to drill components of understanding. So just simple plum, 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 plum. Physics estimation questions to help build your intuition regarding how physics leads to maths so you can better kind of link it and intuitively feel it. Full physics questions to bring your learning together, because ultimately that's the aim. Hopefully this video has helped you to gain an insight into my teaching style. I look forward to seeing you in a tutorial soon.